If your furnace is old or it's acting up, it may just need repairs, but it might need to be replaced. In this video, we'll take a look at whether or not it might be the right time to replace. Hi, I'm Brad from Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I have helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to go over why you might consider repairing or replacing your furnace. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. When the first repair turns into the second and the third, the value of keeping your system limping along diminishes. It's a conundrum. You have to weigh reliability issues, the cost of repairs, and the cost of a new furnace. Sooner or later, the repair bills won't be worth it anymore, and it makes more sense to replace your furnace. Will your aging furnace last another season? This anxiety becomes acute during the first cold snap in November when the furnace is tested for the first time. Is it solid enough to provide heat all winter? After about 15 years, the chances that your furnace's useful life is up increases significantly. We are often asked how long your furnace might last. Our stock answer is 15 to 20 years, but it depends on how well it was installed and the quality and frequency of maintenance. If your system is starting to show its age, it may be time to replace it. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. If your heat exchanger is cracked, this becomes more of a safety issue than one of just comfort. A properly tuned natural gas combustion furnace doesn't produce much carbon monoxide because it will have the correct gas-air mixture. But when that mixture is off, it could start producing a lot of carbon monoxide. A crack in the heat exchanger can cause that. Replacing a heat exchanger costs around $3,000 and up if the warranty doesn't cover it. That's a lot to put into an aged furnace. Some air conditioning upgrades may require you to replace both your AC and furnace. Check with your HVAC salesperson if you're going to invest in a communicating air conditioner, a variable capacity air conditioner, or a two-stage air conditioner. A communicating air conditioner uses sophisticated learning technology to customize cooling to your needs and lifestyle. The units talk to each other and synchronize their settings, thus they need to be replaced at the same time. This can be difficult to track. If you notice year over year your heating bills going up, chances are likely your system is losing efficiency and useful life. Furnaces, especially those which have not been maintained, lose their efficiency over time and thus their ability to heat. If you notice your bills going up and your furnace is still struggling to keep you comfortable, it may be time to replace it. Waiting until the last moment can have consequences. The busiest time of winter for heating and cooling companies is when the temperature drops way down. In the meantime, you're stuck with a broken furnace. You'll be in a panic to buy anything that provides heat. Forget shopping around for the best model or HVAC company. You'll settle for whoever can get a working furnace in place the quickest. That can be a recipe for disaster. The company that installs your furnace and the practices they have in place can literally make the difference between a furnace that lasts 20 years or only 10 years. It can also affect your comfort level and energy bill. Repairing makes the most sense when the repair cost is well below the threshold of a replacement cost. Simple fixes make the most sense to do when the cost is low compared to replacing the whole system. This is especially true if the system is still relatively young and the rest of the system has more life in it. It would also make the most sense to have the system repaired if it is still under warranty. The cost will be less and you'll be able to get more life out of your system for a lower cost compared to replacing it. As the old saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. When these signs first show up, it's important to do something about it before they get worse. Better yet, you should do something about them before the problems appear. Annual preventative maintenance is your top strategy in getting the most out of your furnace. I hope by now you have a better understanding of when replacing your furnace might be necessary. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.